Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. So today we're going to talk about how long a spray foam roof actually lasts. So any building owner that's going to invest tons of money into a new roof, you want it to last as long as possible. And if you know it's only going to last 10 years, what good's that going to be? So we're going to talk about spray foam a little bit today. And the first thing I want to say is a spray foam roof can last indefinitely. So let me write that down here. I don't know if that's spelled right, but that's just how it's going to be. So hey, let me tell you how it's going to last indefinitely. So when we spray foam down, it's about 1.5 inches thick, and then this gray area, it's silicone coating, and the purpose of the coating is to protect the foam from UV rays. It'll degrade the foam over time. And say we do 20 or 30 mils of coating on top of that. After 10 years, with basically routine maintenance in between, after 10 years, this 20 or 30 mils might go down to 7 or 8 mils, somewhere around there. And after that, you just schedule a recoat, put the same silicone over top, it's back to 20 or 30 mils, and you're good for 10 years again. So if you just keep repeating the process, you can have a roof that lasts indefinitely. So yeah, like I said, we do a recoat after 10 years, and usually the cost of that is usually half to a third of the original installation. So you can see it's not as much there, but you do really need to keep the maintenance and keep the recoating schedule going as possible. And we do have proof. We've done the Playhouse Square we did in 1972. It's on its third recoat. We've done multiple school systems in the 80s that are on their third and fourth recoat. So we do have examples. We have plenty of case studies on our website, and definitely more information about spray foam and how long it lasts in our blog post. So if you want, look at the description. There's the URL to the blog post there. Hopefully I explained it okay today. Hopefully you learned a little bit something. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.